Yud Aleph Mishnah Hey. Says the Mishnah, Hazoyrek min hayom liabosha. If someone throws an item from the sea, liabosha, onto dry land, and the Baratunura says that the abosha over here is a Rishus Harabim, so he throws from the sea, which is a Carmelis, liabosha, onto a Rishus Harabim, or min hayabosh layom, or vice versa, i.e. he throws from a Rishus Harabim into the sea, which is into a Carmelis, or min hayom lasfina, he throws from the sea, a Carmelis, lasfina, onto a ship, which has the din of a Rishus Hayochid, or min hasfina layom, or vice versa, he throws from a Rishus Hayochid, from the ship, into the sea, which is a Carmelis, or even min hasfina lechaverta, from one ship to another ship, and there is a Carmelis in between, so he's throwing from a Rishus Hayochid to another Rishus Hayochid with a Carmelis in between. In all of these instances, potter, he is exempt from a chiyuv min haTorah, but Chazal, however, said that he should not do it because lest he confuse the Carmelis with a Rishus Harabim, and therefore he might come to carry in a Rishus Harabim. So in all these instances, he would be potter. Sfinos kashuras zubazu. You have two ships which are tied together. Metalton mizulazu. You're allowed to carry from one ship to the other. So the Mefarshim, based on the Gemara in Shabbos, say that we're talking about two ships which are owned by two different people. Says the Baratunura, Metalton mizulazu. You can carry from one ship to the other. Im hein shnei bnei odom. If they belong to two different people, metaltelin alidei eruv tahavlu kashtei chatzeres. You've got two Rishus Hayochids, if you like, two ships next to each other. So long as the boats are tied together, then an Eruv Chatzeros will enable you to carry, just like you can make an Eruv Chatzeros with two houses next to each other, you're allowed to carry, it becomes like one domain. So to over here, these two ships are two Rishus Hayochids, two Rishuyas Hayochid, and you tie them together, an Eruv Chatzeros will allow you to carry from one ship to the next. However, Im Einon Kashuris, if, however, the ships are not tied to each other, even though they're very, very close to each other, ein metatlin mizulazu. You're not allowed to carry from one to the other, and the reason is, says the Baratunura, because they might become separate, they might move away from each other because they're not tied, and karmelis mafsekas beinehem ubotla erev, and therefore you'll have now a karmelis running through the two ships. Therefore, the rishus hayochid of each ship is now broken by way of a karmelis in between them, and that will destroy your erev. And therefore, Chazal said, if they're not tied together, you cannot carry by way of an Erev Chatzeros. If, however, they are tied together, then you can make an Erev Chatzeros and you can carry from one ship to the next. That is the end of Mishnah Hey.